Uh, Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss the ground state term symbols, rather how to calculate the ground state term symbols for a particular ion or a particular metal or any of the atom. For that, first we will see uh, right ground state term symbols. Now here, this L, this is nothing but orbital angular momentum, and it can be calculated by doing the summation of orbital quantum number, such we will see the examples. Then S is the total angular momentum, which is again calculated by doing the summation of spin quantum number, which is either plus half or minus half. We will do the summation of all the electrons which is present in the particular orbital. Then J, it is nothing but the total angular momentum. This all these L, S, and J, that we are going to write it in RS term symbols. Now this term symbol, this is nothing but the Russell Sonder term symbol. Here, the Russell Sonder term symbol that can be written, which is shown in this particular figure. This 2s plus 1, this is nothing but the spin multiplicity, and J is written at the bottom. But J value, it is varied depending upon the electronic configuration. If the electronic configuration is more than half filled, then in that case, the J value that will comes out to be L plus S. And if the electronic configuration is the J value, we will consider to be L minus S. Here we have some ground state term symbols for P configurations. Now see the P1 configuration. There are three orbitals of P. Uh, if that one electron is placed in that the orbital, then the L value, orbital quantum number value for the particular electron, it is plus 1, and the spin quantum number will be half plus half. Okay, and from this, the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1, that can be calculated, and the spin multiplicity for this P1 configuration, it is 2, and that is why the ground state term symbol, that is P half. Now this 1 by 2, this is nothing but the J value, as here in P1 configuration, uh, the electronic this is the electronic configuration which is less than half filled. Actually, the total electrons occupied in the p orbital is 6, and here we have the p1 configuration, that is only one electron is in the p orbital, that is it is less than half filled. That is why we will consider only L minus S. And if you do L minus S, L value is 1 and S value is half. If you do 1 minus half, then it will come out to be half. That is why ground state term symbol for P1 configuration, it is 2P half. Okay, and same in the same way we can calculate it for P2, P3, P4, P5, and P6 also. But above P3, that P4, P5, and for P6, the J value which we have to consider, that is L plus S, because that electronic configurations that are